How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix your Xbox 360 red light on the power button. Now, when this happens, basically there's multiple reasons why, and there's multiple reasons or there's multiple fixes to simply fix the problem itself. So basically, I have some common causes and fixes in order to finally remove this problem. The first one is going to be overheating with the two red lights. Usually it's solved by just allowing the console to cool down and improve your ventilation. So maybe there's some dust or debris stuck within the fan itself. You just want to make sure that it's clear from dust and debris. The second one is going to be the power supply failure with one red light. The power supply unit often requires replacement when you encounter the one red light problem. And some general hardware failure, basically it's one with the red ring or light. The first is loose cable. Ensure that the AV or HDMI cable is securely connected. We have some resistor issues, which is going to be the 0012 error, often caused by faulty 0 OHM resistors requiring technical soldering skills. And the last one is going to be the reflow or reball. Basically, with this one, excessive heat may cause the solder joints issues on the CPU or GPU itself. A temporary fix involves cleaning the console, replacing your thermal pads, or performing a reflow to fix solder connections. So that is the most common reasons why this is happening and some common fixes in order to basically remove the problem. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.